I'm Adaline from Bonney Lake, Ben Franklin, and I'm going to be showing you the May gnome of the month. This time I'm going to be showing you our baby girl gnome. The first step with this gnome is to take our bag and secure the corners in the center so that it can stand up. I've cut out the felt for my baby girl's hat, and I'm going to curl it into the center and secure that with glue. Now I'm going to add glue to the seam and stick it together. Now I'm going to fold the bottom of the hat up just a little bit in order to create a brim. Your kit is going to come with 4 yards of yarn. You're going to need to cut that into 12-inch pieces, and you will end up with 12 pieces. So we're going to take all of our yarn, drape it across the top, and then tie it with the strings of our bag. Now we're going to divide each side of the hair into 3 sections, each one having 4 strands, and then braid them down. If you need help braiding, you simply go left over the center, right over the center, and repeat going down. Once you've reached the bottom of the braid, simply tie it off with a piece of ribbon. Once you have your braids tied off, you can pull and adjust them as you want, and then cut off the ends so that they're even. Take the extra felt from your hat and cut off a little tab, and with that you're going to glue one end to the inside of the hat, the other end to the nose. Go opposite of the seam of the hat. Add the baby embellishment wherever you would like onto the hat. And there you have your baby girl for May gnome of the month. Happy Mother's Day and happy crafting!